and today it's going to get a full overhaul. So the first thing we're going to do is replace the head gasket, because that's blowing from the back around here. Woohoo! While the head's off, we're also going to change the valve stem seals just to make sure that they're fresh and not going to leak oil in the future. We're also going to replace the timing belt, the water pump, and also these additional fan belts. We've got new fuel filters, new oil filters, and a new air filter to replace this horrible, crusty K&N style one.